A normal drive turned into a moment of sheer panic. Cars moving, traffic flowing, people heading to work, school, home, and then suddenly a plane appeared in the sky flying dangerously low. Wait, not landing at the airport, not circling the safety, but heading straight towards a busy highway in Georgia, United States. This was not a planned landing, of course, it was an emergency one unfolding in real time. Well, a small single engine training aircraft had just taken off. Everything seemed pretty normal until seconds later, something went terribly wrong. The aircraft lost engine power mid-air. And in aviation, losing power right after takeoff is one of the most difficult situations a pilot can face. The pilot tried to save the flight though. Reports say that the pilot attempted to turn back towards a nearby airport, trying to find a runway, trying to regain control, trying to avoid disaster here, but the aircraft was losing altitude too quickly. There was no time left, and that is when the pilot made a desperate decision. In fact, the only option left was the highway below. Drivers on the crowded road in Gainesville suddenly witnessed something unbelievable. A plane descending towards the traffic. In fact, there are dashcam videos and eyewitnesses that show the aircraft touching down directly onto the roadway. In fact, for a few seconds, it looked like the pilot, it might actually pull off a miracle landing, but then everything changed. The plane collided with multiple vehicles. Sadly, SUVs were struck, metal twisted, glass shattered, and during the crash, the aircraft's fuel tank, it broke loose. Fuel spilled onto the road, creating a very terrifying moment where people, they feared an explosion could happen any second. Panic spread across the highway, drivers abandoned their cars. Passengers ran towards safety, traffic froze instantly. What began as a normal afternoon turned into chaos within moments. After that, emergency teams rushed into the scene. Police units arrived, firefighters secured the area. In fact, medical teams treated the injured. Authorities later confirmed that several motorcyclists suffered minor injuries. Miraculously, no large-scale casualties were reported. And many officials are calling that outcome extremely lucky, considering the intensity of the crash. The aircraft involved has been identified as Beechcraft training plane. These type of planes, they are commonly used for pilots who are training or any short flight. Investigators say that the aircraft had been attempting to divert towards Canton Airport after losing the power, but it never made it that far. Instead, it was forced into dangerous highway landing. In fact, the crash has now left the city paralyzed for hours. The highway had to go completely shut. In fact, emergency crews worked carefully to remove wreckage. Traffic stretched across large paths and drivers faced long delays and road closure as well. The main question, what caused the engine to fail? Well, National Transportation Safety Board, that is America's top aviation investigation agency, has now opened the full investigation, though they will examine various things like the aircraft's maintaining history, the pilot's flight data, mechanical system and engine performance, weather and operational conditions during the takeoff. Because aviation emergencies, they really have simple explanations, right? And every detail, it matters.